Hey, this is Pierre Delacote talking, working at Planet Technologies. Do you know word cloud? Do you like word cloud? Do you know that Copilot can generate a word cloud thanks to Python? Let's try it. So here I'm going to ask. I have a survey. I just want a quick summary with a word cloud. Visualize a word cloud with problems most mentioned with maybe in good English, it will be with the most mentioned problems in this survey. And I'm going to add the files and let's see what it does. So it's look first at the survey, analyze it, try to find the words that are mentioned in the survey, make a cloud of it, and generate. You see, second task generating the word cloud. Let's see. I'm impatient, so yeah, it's a big survey, but I'm sure you can do something. Hopefully, yeah, it's coming, and boom, email share. File size, large file, different, no, time, collaboration, multiple, Google, etc., etc. So the most problem are about document and sharing document probably. Time spent in email maybe, sure. But the idea here is not to look at the word cloud, but you can generate a word cloud thanks to Copilot and Python because here is the code that it used. So he extract, you know, doc, I don't know what he extracted, how he extracted it. He extracted the words that were in the survey and makes sense of it, some sort of sense. So if you have a well-formed Excel file with a list of words and a count for the words, that will probably work better. But you can see here, there's a lot of words that are all related to some frustration here. This is a survey to see how people are comfortable with collaboration. So again, thanks to Copilot and Python, you can do nice things like the word cloud. Hope this was insightful.